This is Ken from Up North Strings, and I'll put it on time lapse. Alright, so I'm going to give you a little tour of the thickness sander. This is a style. This is version 2. And it's really a simple machine. It's got a dial right here. And this raises and lowers. Just a half horsepower motor. Wheel is aluminum. I bought that. It works really well for this kind of thing. You got to be careful that you don't projectile the object out through the other side. And you always have to hold on to it. But there is an advantage, I think, to having a manual feed. So this will be a restoration project. It's going to over in Europe. So after I have the thickness this to exactly the correct thickness.
And you can see there's the contour brace. And that's another story. But there's a way to glue this on. I glue it on rectangle like this and trim it off. And here's the back. You can see the arching in there.
That kind of thing. But it's like very similar to hide glue, old-fashioned glue. The newer glues are these kind. These are kind of rubbery in a way, just a little bit rubbery. They stick and they can become a little bit pliable. Dropped two pieces of wood, it wouldn't crack and have a tendency to pop apart. This kind of just holds it that way. Okay, well, I'm going to stop talking about glue and stuff. I could talk about this stuff forever. I noticed there's a banjo in the background. That's kind of funny. But banjos are cool too.